Hey everyone, it was a great experience here with New Roots, Hyderabad. So initially I thought it's gonna be like quite painful. It was hard decision to make, but here Anusha and Nilesh really helped me to understand the process. So they explained me each and everything in bits, so that I can take decision, which helped me take my decision wisely. So I got my transplant done yesterday, and it was great experience. The staff was amazing, like smooth, songs out there, and it was more of a conversation we had throughout the surgery, and it was not painful. Yeah, there are times when there would be small itching, but I had my surgery done through Sapphire technique, so I got to know that it's one of the easiest and smoothest way to get it done, and it was a great experience altogether. So thank you, New Roots.